Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw tips and tricks, and I was just waiting for a video to load, and I was kind of playing around with the blend tool, and I came up with this pattern. I don't know what you'd ever do with it, but it's pretty cool and unique. So let's just take a 2-point line and holding down the control button, make it perfect. Let's go ahead and double click on it and make it a 24-point line and make it black. Now let's make a copy of that, either plus sign on your keyboard or duplicate. I'm going to hit T just to make sure I didn't move it. Now I'm going to blend these guys, let's say 18 times. But if you go right here and change it to like 37 is the blend direction, you get that shape. Now I would go ahead and take them and go to Object and break the blend apart. And then I would go ahead and go to Options and ungroup them because they're still a group type deal in a blend. Control D and make a duplicate, and then hold this arrow key down and just walk upward. Now, so this one's quite a bit bigger than the last one. Let's make the lines even thicker. And this is another part that's pretty cool. Grab them all, and because they're not grouped together, you can go up to Object and convert to an object, and then left click, right click, and you get these rectangles. And you could almost do this with kind of any pattern, possibly even blend a path. Then we can cut that line right out between them. And you got a unique pattern. Let's just play with this. Control G to group it together and hit P, put it in the center of the page. Let's delete that one. Let's Control D and duplicate it, and then rotate it 45 degrees. Control D again. Control D again. Let's just see what we get when we weld it. It's going to take a little bit because there's a lot going on. But that's a pretty, it's not perfect. Let's back up here. I don't like that. Let's rotate it 90 degrees. Let's make sure we only got one copy. Control D and make a duplicate and rotate it 90 degrees. Hit enter. Now let's weld it and let's see what we get. Not too good, don't like it. But the original copy is pretty cool. I don't know what you would do with it. You know, that would engrave, or, you know, you could make different colors. You know, you could make the lines different colors now. You could take the Smart Fill tool, and let's don't use black, let's use yellow. Go and change it to red. Change it to blue. And also you could only do half of them and make the same color go in the other direction. But anyway, kind of a cool idea. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.